River and Sia here, and today we're hopping on the Mark Twain Riverboat at Disneyland in California. Passengers embark on the Mark Twain Riverboat to set off on their sightseeing tour through the rivers of America from its entrance stationed in Frontierland. The attraction departs every 25 minutes, and guests can relax at the port of call before they begin their journey.
The Mark Twain is an authentic reproduction of a 19th century paddle boat, based off the historic vessels that ferried people up and down the Mississippi River. The boat is 28 feet tall and 105 feet long. It's comprised of 4 different decks: the Pilothouse, the Promenade Deck, the Sun Deck, and the Main Deck. This replica is steam-powered and converts the very water it floats on into the steam engine which propels the large paddle at the stern of the boat.
The boat gets busy fairly quickly. We suggest you arrive at least 10 minutes before departure to get the best spot at the bow or the stern of the boat. We typically grab a snack, like a fresh pineapple spear or a chimichanga from the ship-to-shore marketplace, and relax in the shaded port of call before the Mark Twain embarks. There are a number of seating options on board the Mark Twain as well, both downstairs and along the sides of the boat. The Mark Twain Riverboat is a great option for families and groups who want to ride together.
I'll be honest, growing up, I never considered the Mark Twain nor the sailing ship Columbia as rides, but it couldn't have been further from the truth.
The ride around the rivers of America is a half-mile, 14-minute journey into the nostalgic scenes of America's frontier. The trip is accompanied by a narrator that tells you lively stories of times gone by. The man-made river flows around Tom Sawyer Island, and many sights can be seen, such as rustic cabin living, a Native American village, mountain lions relaxing in the sun, and you can even catch the Disneyland Railroad train steaming past to its next destination.
Sailing aboard the Mark Twain is one of the most unique experiences at Disneyland. Not only does it have that quintessentially Americana feel, it's also peaceful, relaxing, and has some of the best views in the park.
Be aware the boat horn can be loud. If you have sensitive hearing, we suggest you ask a cast member to direct you to the quietest area.
As a reminder, the Mark Twain ceases operations at dusk in preparation for the Fantasmic show held along the rivers of America. Make sure to plan accordingly. On the rare days that the Mark Twain is not operating, you can join the crew of the sailing ship Columbia on their journey around Tom Sawyer Island. The Mark Twain Riverboat is a unique experience at Disneyland. While it's not the most thrilling attraction, it definitely is one of the most serene and beautiful. The sounds and views from the boat are sure to create some nostalgic memories for years to come. Overall, we'd give the Mark Twain Riverboat a 7 out of 10 Mickey ears. Make sure you hop aboard the next time you're at Disneyland.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.